If you're a jeweler and you're using the Graver Max for diamond setting or hammering applications, you can also do beautiful hand engraving. Add hand engraving skills to what you already know. This is an example of fine hand engraving using the Graver Max. To give you an idea of what this object is, I'll zoom out just a little bit. And you can see the very precise detail that I was able to capture on something as small as a penny. Chances are you won't be called upon to engrave pennies. You'll probably be one of the first things that you'll need to do is engrave script lettering, which is what I'll show you in this next demonstration. I'll quickly draw in the script letter H. And when I engrave this letter, I will be using a flat graver that I fashioned from a piece of Glen steel. This is a Glen steel blank, sharpened on the sharpening system. This graver has a face of 40 degrees, and it has a radiused heel of 15 to 20 degrees. And the radius on the heel of this graver is very difficult to see on this video because it's so small. After I sharpen the graver on the sharpening system, I strop it on a piece of leather that's treated with diamond spray. First the heel, just pull it across the leather like so. And what this does is puts a nice bright polish on the heel of the graver. Then I'll flip it over and I'll pull a few pulls across the face of the tool, putting a bright polish on it. Maybe I can show you the reflection in the face of this graver. If you look in the face of the graver, you can see the reflection of my thumb. It's like a mirror. Okay? The sharper the tool, the better quality the cut. The brighter the tool, the brighter the cut. And I'm going to be cutting this letter on the corner of the graver, cutting right on the corner to do the hairlines. And where I want the letter to flare out and become wider, I will increase the power to the machine with the foot pedal and roll the graver out into the metal a little bit more. Back to a hairline and back to a wide cut again. Hand engraving does take practice, but the Graver Max reduces the learning curve by about 90%. Anyone can learn hand engraving skills. Okay, we're almost finished. And we'll give the engraving vise a little spin and add a little flourish on the end. And there is our completed letter. You can see the sparkle in the cuts. very precisely cut.